Welcome everyone to my favorite webtech channel. Install Linux operating system on Windows. We have to follow 3 steps. Step 1. Open CMD and check online list. Step 2. Install Ubuntu and reboot your PC. Step 3. Download and set up Linux. After complete this step, you will show this welcome to Ubuntu screen. So let's go. So if you want to install Ubuntu Linux on your Windows operating system, then first of all you have to go on search the text bar, search cmd and run as administrator, and yes. Okay, here you have to type WSL -list and -online to see the available version of Ubuntu. Here you can see the available version in the online marketplace. Okay, now to install our Ubuntu, you just simply click on install WSL install -d Ubuntu. Okay, and press. First it's downloading and then it will be installed on your desktop. Okay, yes, it will take some time as your internet is speed. So backend. So finally our Ubuntu has been installed. The request operation is successful. Change will not be affected until the system is rebooted. Okay, then we have to reboot our system. So we reboot our system. After I reboot my PC, I found this. You can see here, Linux. Okay, I'll show you again. You can see it's downloading. Now it's downloading Ubuntu. After a long time, I found this window. Welcome to Windows Subsystem for Linux. Working access file system, GUI apps, GPU, acceleration, networking integration, disk management, Docker desktop integration, VS Code integration, and getting started with Linux. So go to and if I type here WSL and hit enter, let's see. So WSL, you can see this might take a while. Create a default Unix user account. So it can take a default Unix user account. I type here lemon. Okay, hit enter. Okay. Invalid username. Valid username must start with a lowercase letter or underscore and can contain lowercase letters, digit, underscore and dashes. Okay, so I remove this lemon and type here lemon and lowercase. Okay, and enter new password. Enter password here. Okay, enter new password. I have to put retype my new password. Okay, password. Okay, here you can see Ubuntu. Welcome to Ubuntu 24.0.2 LTS. Okay. So abusers, you can see processes, user logit. Okay. Don't see user remote. Okay, now I want to go to desktop, so cd desktop. Okay, no such file or directory. I think my desktop is inside my OneDrive, so I type in cd OneDrive first, hit enter, then again type. Okay, I minimize this first. Okay, and scroll it up, cd OneDrive and cd now desktop. Okay, now I am in desktop. Okay, here you can see my desktop folder and file. Now I make a directory mkdir dir directory my Linux tasks. I make a directory for my Linux tasks. Okay, here you can see my Linux tasks. Okay, I open it. Yeah, my Linux tasks. Okay, now I close it. So I hope you got an idea to how to install and set up your Linux on your operating system. And if I show you on my PC, here you can see the Linux. So I hope you got an proper idea to set up and install your Linux on your Windows system. So thank you.